Looking for a soft and durable ribbon cable? Meet BNTECHGO Silicone Ribbon Cable, the ideal choice for makers and engineers. Made with high-quality tinned copper for excellent conductivity and corrosion resistance. The flexible silicone insulation handles extreme temperatures from 60 degrees to 200 degrees with ease. No matter how you bend, twist, or separate it, this cable stays soft and resilient. No cracking, no breaking, built to last. Ideal for a wide range of projects, from 3D printing and LED lighting, to robotics and industrial control panels. Available in many specs, 18 to 30 AWG 2 to 10 cores. Need more cores or custom length? We've got you covered. Upgrade your maker toolbox with BNTECHGO Silicone Ribbon Cable. Durable, flexible, heat-resistant, and easy to use. Subscribe for more maker tips and tools and click the link below to shop now.